Welcome to Super Stuff Unboxed. Hello and welcome to Super Stuff Unboxed. Today we're going to be unboxing this DragonStar's Frieza first form, because Frieza transforms and upgrades. This is how Frieza starts out. This is the classic looking Frieza from when Goku first turned into a Super Saiyan. And the first color hair change that just revolutionized Dragon Ball Z from the original Dragon Ball. Anyway, a classic looking character still in the box, coming with a Super Saiyan 4 from GT character in the set. And these DragonStar unboxings are gonna go quick. So let's get going and see how long this takes. I'm super excited about the classic look of the classic antagonist. All right, here we go. Let's hope for a smooth slide out. Got the classic kind of purplish pink coloring. Lightning of a DragonStar cardboard shell background. We've got, all right, 3 hands. It looks like this one would be like holding that big giant energy ball. 2 kind of blasting hands, 2 fists. All right, I'll take them. Looks like this exact looking character also just came out with DragonStars in a 2-pack with Goku's father, Bardock. So if you like this character, let's get his hands really pressed to get that one. All right. If you like this character, there's another option. Oh, look, articulation in the tail. No snips or anything holding this in place. All right. The scouter built in, still seeing the eye underneath. Great articulation in the arms. It rotates here, double pinned elbow. You've got the swivel on the hand, not just a 360 with this tail. All right, look at that joint on the tail right there. Fantastic. And then articulation here, and nope, not here. Okay. Just 2 points of articulation on the tail, but that's good enough for me. I love these classic looking Frieza style feet. Should probably help him stand up on his own pretty fantastically as well. And this classic looking armor that'll go well with some Vegetas I have. All right, super cool. This has to be one of my favorite DragonStar series villains, if not my favorite DragonStar series villain. Last thing, let's just see how easy it is to swap these hands. Okay, comes off real small, and pop another one in. How difficult would that be for small children? No. Oh, keeping it straight. Oh, it keeps wobbling. Yeah, that might be a few seconds of messing around, or is a few seconds of messing around. Click. Oh, look at that. All right, that's what I get for doing the hand swap. All right, that definitely looks fixable. Very cool. All right, I love it. Thank you so much for watching Super Stuff Unboxed. We'll catch you next time. Let's take some pics. Ooh, yeah.